this is how to add someone on WhatsApp. The common way to do it is tapping on the new chat button. And now from here, check whether you have them already saved in your contacts. And if your contact that you want to add doesn't have WhatsApp, then you'll see their number like this with an invite button. So they'll have to create a WhatsApp account first. Now if the contact isn't saved already, then you can tap on new contact, then put in your contact's name and their phone number, including the country code. And if the number you have added doesn't have WhatsApp, it will pop up here. And if they have an account, then it will appear as a checkmark. So you just need to hit save, and now you can start messaging with them. You can also add their number by scanning their QR code in person. Then it will take you back to the new contacts page, and then you'll need to type in their name and hit save. And if you also want to save it to your phone's contact, then you'll need to enable sync contact to phone. And after that, choose your Gmail account for the sync. That's how you save contacts to WhatsApp. That's all. Hope this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.